Faiz says, how to do tayammum and what are the conditions? Tayammum can only be, which is interpreted as dry ablution, can only be done when a person is unable to use water for ablution or for purity. Whether due to lack of water, there's no water, or because he is unable to use it due to some physical hindrance, something that prevents him from using it. How is it done? It is to strike the ground, the soil, the sand, the earth, the rocks with once, and then there are two ways of doing it. Either to wipe your hands to the wrist like this, and then wipe your face, or do the opposite. That is, strike it once, wipe your face, and then wipe your hands. Which one is correct? Well, Sahih al-Bukhari and elsewhere, the hadith narrated by Ammar ibn Yasir, I think, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, stated that the Prophet began with wiping his hands first and then wiping his face. And the ayah in the Quran, when it talks about tayammum, it says that to wipe your face and your hands. So it is an issue of dispute among scholars. So some say we begin with what the Quran began with. Others say, no, we follow the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, especially when in the hadith it stated, ثُمَّ مَسَحَ وَجْهَهُ. Thumma means that this is in order, not just any and. It means that this was done after that. And the most authentic opinion is that both, inshaAllah, are valid. I would personally begin with the face and afterwards with the hands, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.